This is a short room tour of our room 7417 at the Sandals Grande Antigua in St. John's, Antigua. So we first walk in, to your right is a bathroom. It features a walk-in shower, a whirlpool tub, jetted tub, a double sink, everything you need in the bathroom is there. And then when we walk in, here we have the main living area. So have a king bed, four-poster bed, a couple of lamps, nightstands, plenty of storage in the room. Here is a TV, again, more storage, and then we have the in-room bar. Underneath is a coffee maker, a tea maker, everything you need to create your drinks. Refrigerator with wines, beers, sodas, juices, etc. And then moving on, let me give you this vantage point of the room. We have this big chair here. And behind it is a window that can be open. It's screened, so it gets you a nice breeze when you want to turn the air down, just get some fresh air. And then here is the room from this angle, and then here's the balcony. Beautiful, beautiful view of the gardens, the ocean, pool, everything. Really, really, really nice. We enjoyed our stay here, and we enjoyed this room too.